Hey, Harlan, here's a basket for you. Put it in the basket. Now go find them.
Okay.
Harlan, he passed one up. He found
Hello mga kabayan! So today nandito kami sa friends namin. It's about an hour drive from our house and they are a Filipino couple. And we've known them for a few years now. They're giving us some of their stuffs including this big fridge para may lalagyan kami ng goat's milk. Ang galing talaga ni God kasi we were needing a fridge to store our goat's milk. Then a few days later, Tita Ellen called me. Sabi niya, nakita ko yung post nyo sa Facebook. Harlan was bottle feeding the baby goats and I thought, I wonder if they have a fridge to store their milk. And it was the right timing kasi nga we've been looking for a used refrigerator.
Maybe I could use a leaf blower.
Oh, maybe the leaf blower is better, huh?
May nawawalis ka ba, Harlan?
Opo.
Ano po?
Dito kami mag-sawiyar tayo.
Ano po?
Naku, magaling kang katulong ng nanay.
Minsan.
I know how it is raising kids. They really want to help, but you have to do it all over. Oh boy, then Harlan,
What?
there, you can brush that.
O, dito ka muna. Ayan, o.
Oh, there.
Brush mo yan. Yan.
Yay!
job.
Very good. Right over there.
Okay.
Ako.
Walis ka.
Oh,
So today they are also doing a yard sale kasi they're moving to a different state where their daughter lives.
oh yeah. Oops, we're hitting the branches. We're hitting the branches.
There you go.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Birdie, you're following me. Oh, let's go find some more.
Good job, Maisie. Right here. Maisie, put it in here. Put it in there. Good job. Okay, come on, Maisie. Okay, there you go.
Go find some more, baby. Oh, here's Daddy Baby.
Here's a basket for you. Put it in the basket. Now go find them.
Okay.
Harlan! He passed one up. Come on, baby. Hey, Harlan. You're running around and you're not looking. You gotta look close.
Wow, I see an egg right here.
There's another one there.
Harlan. And you're running right past another one.
Okay, I brought the hot dog.
You were warm and now you're cold.
Harlan.
What?
Harlan. There's some over here.
Come over here, you can see it. It's all that's like no, you can see it from here, plain as day. Sorry.
There's another one there. Harlan! Harlan!
You're skipping a butt. She can't get up here, buddy. I'm not done yet. No. There's another one.
Harlan.
We need to have like four. Daisy, come on.
Harlan.
Harlan is distracted. He's looking up. He's like, hey, Harlan.
You should look on the wood bench too. He's in full speed.
Find more? Is that our snack?
See?
Should we go find more? Let's go find more. Come on, let's go. Harlan, there's one over there.
We're resourceful.
Let's go find more.
She really does have a one tracker.
Yeah.
They were here, so she could get them off. So that is.
Look at Nana. Look at Nana.
Thank you.
Okay, what else can you find?
I see another right here.
How many na?
Money!
Money.
Well, you walked right over one, kid.
What?